Hey guys, this is the first capstone video you're going to watch. The first thing you need to do is get out your capstone notebook and turn to your learning webs. So here are two of the learning webs that I made with you guys, the Hindenburg and Japanese concentration camps. Now, the first thing I want to do is just kind of read through them, remember about them, remember what we wanted to learn. So pause the video and do that. Okay, now what I want you to think about is you have these learning webs here. We did the Hindenburg, Japanese concentration camps, Nikola Tesla. Is there anything else that you've been learning about that you would like to make a learning web of? Something we've been learning in class, or something you've been reading about at home? The learning webs are great because they give you a chance to think about what you want to learn next. And you should always be doing these in your capstone notebook. You shouldn't wait till I tell you to pull it out and do a learning web. This is something we should always do because it always gives us ideas to read. So I thought about if there was anything else I wanted to add. And there was. I wanted to add elections and the Inca as learning webs. And for elections, I want to know about past presidents and our government, Greek democracy and dictatorships, Inca, Peru, Machu Picchu, Spanish conquerors, ancient Egyptians, famous explorers. If there's other things you want to add, this is another chance to pause and add to your learning webs. Maybe you're into one of these topics. Okay? So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick one topic. You have 9 on this page. I have 9 or 10 here probably. I have a few more in my notebook. I have to pick one topic. So I just kind of go back and forth. And you know what? I think I'm going to choose the atomic bomb. I already know a little bit about it, and it's just really interesting to me because it's so tragic and sad. So I pick the atomic bomb, and then what I need to do is come up with questions. What do I want to know about the atomic bomb? So I want to know who decided to drop it. How many people died? How long after Pearl Harbor did it happen? What is it made of? Regret? Like, do the people who ordered it feel bad? And did the public know? I'm also interested, like, are the Japanese, are they angry? I obviously know a little bit about the bomb to be able to ask some of these questions, but I know hundreds of thousands of people died instantly. So it's just really fascinating to me. But you know what? These are my questions about the atomic bomb, but I don't know. I feel like there might be a couple topics I want to look into right now. So I'm going to go back to my learning web and man, I think I got to look into Machu Picchu, you know? So I'm going to make yet another part of my notebook, either below the atomic bomb or on the next page, whatever works for me. And I'm going to put Machu Picchu. And then below it, I'm going to list questions. So if there's anything else you want to add, another topic you want to explore, this is your chance to do it. So a couple of the questions I have about Machu Picchu are, were enemies able to attack them way up there on that mountain? They had roads, but how did they travel? And just about their irrigation systems. I'd love to know all about that. So that's what you're doing today. You're just thinking about one or two of the topics that you've jotted down, and you're coming up with questions that you're wondering about it. Okay, so have fun, do that in your notebook, and then come back tomorrow or the next day for the next video.